Hello?
Hi there, can you open this door, please?
For what?
I just want to check you on.
Snooping as usual, I see.
Where's your Harry, mother?
What?
I just want to check on this Harry Dresden.
What?
Where's your fucking door, man? Where's your door,
What are
man?
you talking about?
Where's your door? Who's in there with you?
Bro, I don't know who you are. You don't belong to this neighborhood. That's for sure.
This is my neighborhood, though.
No, you. If you don't
Open this
leave...
fucking door. Open this door, I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand me?
No!
Leave my house. You don't...
Are you okay?
Don't...
Is that okay?
What? Everyone's nuts. Okay. I want... Leave this neighborhood. That's for sure. I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open the door. Open the fucking door. Open the door. This is my neighborhood.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding.
Open the fucking door. Fucking door. Door. My name is Harry, motherfucker. Fuff. Do you fuck the door?
No. Yeah.
Do you understand me?
No.